Our friends, it is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler, and look how gorgeous is this shawl. These are my dahlias that I ordered from Petal Pickers in my small effort to help support them in wake of the storm, and they still had some flowers and they ship, so I bought some, and I'm going to be sharing today on the live shopping show kind of my take on why in the world would we not be ordering this instead of wiring flowers from a who knows who. Anyway, more on that today on the show, as well as on the show today I'm sharing our harvest, cool flower seed starting. I've got some eucalyptus to show you where to make the cut, and we'll just have a lot of fun stuff. So if you haven't ever joined us inside the app, so just think, y'all, put this in your mind. QVC with Lisa and great gardening and farming stuff. That's what the show is all about, right? And so it launches every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern time, and it goes for about an hour, a little bit more. I always give something away, and today I am giving away 2 courses. We always have a deal of the day. I'll be demonstrating soil blocking. I'm going to be seed starting, and then I'll be showing off some of our harvest. And friends, it's just a great fun. So you grab your lunch and a beverage and join us for an hour of fun. And I can't wait to talk to you about, because y'all know I don't grow dahlias, right? Look at this. This is my mom's picture. And this is what's sitting on my dining room table. And it just makes us want to sit down and eat more food, which, might as well do it in the presence of gorgeous flowers. So join me 12 noon Eastern time, and we'll talk about all this wonderful stuff. So friends, see you in an hour and 10 minutes. To get the app, you can either just comment app here, or you can just go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. It's free, and it doesn't take but a few seconds to download it. All right, folks. Ciao.